Is your smart TV voice search not working? You speak but nothing happens. No response, wrong results, or complete silence. Don't worry, let's fix this quickly with simple working steps. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Check the remote microphone button. Voice search only works when you press and hold the button. Do not just tap it. Hold the button and speak clearly. Also check if your remote batteries are low. Replace them if needed. Step 2. Restart your smart TV. This refreshes the voice system. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. Wait until the TV turns back on fully. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Voice search needs stable internet. If the connection is weak, it may fail. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then check connection status. If possible, switch to 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. Step 4. Enable voice recognition settings. Sometimes voice features are turned off. Go to Settings, then go to General, then go to Voice, then turn on voice recognition. Also allow all permissions if asked. Step 5. Check microphone permissions. Some TVs block microphone access. Go to Settings, then go to Privacy, then go to Permissions, then enable microphone access. Step 6. Update your TV software. Outdated software can break voice search. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then go to Software Update, then select Update Now. Install any available updates. Step 7. Repair your remote. If the remote is not properly connected, voice may not work. Press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. Wait for pairing confirmation. Step 8. Reduce background apps. Too many apps slow down voice response. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Select apps and press Force Stop. Step 9. Advanced Fix. Reset Voice Assistant. Sometimes voice services get stuck. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then select Voice Assistant app. Clear cache. Do not clear data unless needed. Step 10. Factory reset as last option. If nothing works, reset your TV. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Reset, then select Factory Reset. Set up again from start. If you still face any problem, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your voice search will now work smoothly and respond instantly every time.